and welcome to iExamBee. I'll be continuing ahead with the mock test series discussion which we have already started and we have covered lot many subjects till date, the mock test with respect to them. So इस वीडियो में भी मैं mock test series continue करूंगी एक नए टॉपिक एक नए सब्जेक्ट के साथ. But before that, do remember to subscribe to our channel and press on the bell icon so that you can stay tuned and stay updated. आप हमें approach कर सकते हो with respect to any questions or queries or doubt you have with respect to any of the competitive exams, and for that you can reach us through this email ID which is displayed on the screen, or you can even call us on this particular number. Apart from that, you can visit our website wherein you will get the details with respect to the various competitive exams. So do remember to subscribe to the channel, stay tuned and stay updated. Now moving ahead with our today's discussion with respect to the Right to Information Act, the mock test relating to the Right to Information Act. But before we proceed ahead with our question discussion, पहले मैं डिस्कस करना चाहूंगी कि राइट टू इंफॉर्मेशन एक्ट एक्चुअली है क्या. एक्चुअली whenever any act comes into existence or it is brought into effect, there is certain objective that has to be achieved. So what is the very objective behind bringing into effect the Right to Information Act? So Right to Information Act is basically an act आप कह सकते हो which is giving the right to the people that they can go ahead and seek information, and this information they can seek from whom? From the governmental authorities. So the citizens, they can go ahead, the people of the country India, they can go ahead and question the various governmental authorities, the policies, the decisions they are basically taking. So this is basically what it is, a right. It is a right given to whom? To the citizens. And why this right is given to the citizens? So that they can go ahead and question the governmental authorities with respect to their various policies, the decisions, the measures they are basically taking, and for the citizens to go ahead and basically exercise this right and hold the governmental authorities accountable for their actions or decisions or the policies, the citizens, they have an access to the information with respect to the affairs of the government, and this is what the RTI Act actually does. It informs the citizens with respect to the affairs of the government, and thereby it is ensuring कि citizen जो है participate कर सके working of the democracy में, and involvement of the citizens with respect to the working of the government. Now moving on to our question discussion with respect to Right to Information Act. The very first question is, which act was replaced by the RTI Act? And the correct option for this particular question is Freedom of Information Act, which is our option number B. RTI Act, it replaced the Information of Freedom Act 2002, thereby providing the rules and procedures regarding the citizens, their right to information, and it empowers the citizens of India that they can go ahead and request information from the public authorities with respect to their decisions being taken. Now question number 2 mentions who has the right to seek information under the RTI Act. The correct option is A, which is citizens. Section 3 lay down करता है provision right to information. Subject to the provisions of this act, all the citizens shall have the right to information, so they can go ahead and seek information under the RTI Act. Question number 3 is, what is the objective of RTI Act? And the correct option is D, which is all the above. So A, B and C, all three are the objectives apart from all other for which the RTI Act has been brought into effect. And so the RTI Act has the very basic objective to empower the citizens, promote transparency and accountability in the working of public authorities, to keep a check on the corruption, and to make the democracy work for the people. So basically it is promoting transparency and accountability of the public authorities, empowering the citizens to question the government, and encourages better informed citizens. Now moving on to our question number 4 for today's discussion, it mentions a person who desires to obtain any information under the RTI Act shall make a request of the dash in which the application is being made, accompanying such fees as may be prescribed, and the correct option is D. It should be in writing or through electronic means, in English or Hindi or in the official language. Section 6 subsection 1 is laying down the provision with respect to request for obtaining information. A person who desires to obtain any information under this act shall make a request in writing or through electronic means, in English or Hindi or in the official language of the area in which the application is being made, accompanying such fees as may be prescribed. Question number 5 says, under the RTI Act, what is the time period for the disposal of requests for information concerning the life and liberty of a person? And the correct option is 48 hours. So section 7 बोलता है disposal of request where the information sought for concerns the life or liberty of a person, the same shall be be provided within 48 hours of the receipt of the request. Now, question number 6 mentions the State Chief Information Commissioner and the State Information Commissioners shall be appointed by the Governor on the recommendation of a committee which will be consisting of. The correct option is D, all A, B and C. Section 15 बोलता है Constitution of State Information Commission. State Chief Information Commissioner and State Information Commissioners shall be appointed by the Governor. So appointment has to be made by the Governor on the recommendation of whom? A committee which will be consisting of Chief Minister to be the chairperson of the committee, Leader of Opposition in the Legislative Assembly and a Cabinet Minister to be nominated by the Chief Minister. So this is the composition of the committee. Question number 7 mentions what is the time limit within which the public authority shall publish particulars of organizations, functions, duties, powers of its officers and employees, etc. as per the RTI Act, and the correct option is 120 days, which is option C. Section 4 बोलता है obligation of public authorities. Every public authority shall publish within 120 days from the date of enactment of the RTI Act the details or particulars with respect to his organization, functions, duties, powers of the officers and employees. Now moving on to our question number 8. Under the RTI Act, the Central Information Commission shall consist of which of the following? And you can see the various options which is displayed on the screen, and the correct option is E, which is both A and D. So A is the Chief Information Commissioner and D is the Central Information Commissioners not exceeding 10. Section 12 subsection 2 इससे related provision lay down करता है. Now moving on to our question number 9, which says what does RTI includes within its ambit as per the RTI Act, and the answer is D, which is all the above. Inspection of work, documents, records, taking notes, extracts or certified copies of documents or records, taking certified samples of materials. So all these are included within the ambit of RTI Act, जो कि हमारे section 2 clause J में mention है. What does right to information basically means, and it includes the information accessible under this act which is held by or under the control of public authorities, and it includes the right to all these things which have been specified in this particular section. So with this we come to an end of our today's discussion of the mock test series with respect to the RTI Act. Do remember to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned and stay updated so that you can make your preparations 50% faster with us at iExamBee.